Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find Binance Smart Chain. For that, make sure you get the application and you're already logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step. At this home page, at the bottom right, you can see the wallets option. You need to tap over there and you will be lead to this kind of interface. Now here, simply tap on add funds. Again here you can simply tap on deposit crypto and you will be led to this kind of interface where you need to choose the cryptocurrencies. You can choose any of them according to your preference, and after that this kind of box will pop up where you need to choose the network. Now there you need to simply tap on BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Now to see the wallet address or the QR, you need to verify your Binance application. I haven't verified currently, but if your account is verified, here the wallet address will be presented and the QR will be presented. And this is how you can find Binance Smart Chain. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.